Ever wonder what to do with all those cardboard boxes piling up? Get ready to be amazed! In this video, we'll explore creative and unexpected ways to give new life to your old cardboard. Let's discover how to turn old boxes into useful items and reduce waste. Our first idea today will be a hit with your cats. First, I cut the cardboard into equal strips. To make glue, I mix regular wheat or rice flour with water. This glue is safe for cats. I apply glue to the cardboard strips with a brush and stick them together. How delicious! I make edges from long cardboard strips. I temporarily reinforce the structure with 2 wooden boards and ropes. Our cat greatly appreciated this invention not only as a scratching post, but also as a cozy bed. Now I will make a maze out of cardboard sheets. First, I make a drawing. Using a utility knife, I cut out parts of the required size. I glue the parts together with hot glue. I attach the maze parts to the floor with adhesive tape. Ready, set, go! And here is our first finalist. Here's the second, and just 2 seconds behind, the third finalist. The bronze medalist caused a conflict, but the champion quickly resolved the misunderstanding. Now I'll make a very convenient tool that allows you to fold clothes easily, quickly, and neatly. You can make a kitchen trash bin for waste from a small, unwanted cardboard box and a cutting board. If your cat loves lying in a cardboard box, I suggest enhancing it with some toys. This will make it much more fun. Who didn't dream of having their own lemonade stand as a kid? Let's try to make one out of cardboard. Kids will love this idea. I cut off the top of the bottle and sanded with sandpaper. I attach masking tape to the neck of the bottle. I insert a silicone hose into the bottle neck and secure it with hot glue. I remove the masking tape after the glue has fully dried and close the lid. I made 2 holes in the plastic lid and insert a drinking straw and a silicone hose. And now I assemble the entire structure from cardboard. Make sure the hose doesn't sink into the drink but stays on the surface. To prevent paint from splashing on the floor and walls during mixing, place it in a regular cardboard box. Also, if you need to spray paint a part, hang it on a string inside a box. Now I'll show you how to make a cozy cat house out of a cardboard box, 2 flexible cables, and an old t-shirt. This version of the cat house is even simpler, but the concept is the same. You can place a soft cushion or an old blanket inside, and your cat will love it. For active play with cats, you can make a simple structure like this out of a cardboard box. The last idea for today is for board game lovers. If you want to play checkers on the go or outdoors, you can easily make a checkers board out of cardboard and the pieces from plastic bottle caps.